जरूरी नहीं कि आज ऐसा कर रहा है तो जिंदगी भर ऐसा करेगा, नहीं जरूरी है. माई चाइल्ड वुड नेवर शेयर एनीथिंग विद एनीबडी, यू नो दैट, anybody. Like, and he has this habit of carrying a small car with him. Okay, he'll go to the playground. 3 years old, I still remember. Children will come, de do. He will not share.
Yeah.
And I have never asked him to share. I'll ask him, Zoravar, do you want to share? No. Fine. Then the other child, auntie is not sharing, auntie. I said, beta, it's his toy. Ask him. I never forced him. Never ever. Okay. But now, when I understand his point of view, now that he's more vocal, we have that connection, you know. Once he shared with someone, that boy actually threw the car and uska car thoda toot gaya. And he said, Mama, I'll never give it to him again. पहले मुझे मैंने कहा नहीं बेटा, we should share, you know, it was very nice of you to share and all that. In the night he says, Mama, I gave it to him, but see, he threw. तो उसके लिए उसकी car is like everything, and that guy is not taking care of my car. I don't want to share it.
Yeah.
So when I understood it from a child's point of view, it's easier for me to, you know, relate to a child.
Yeah.
Today, if he wants to share, if it's his friend, he thinks my friend will take care of what I'm giving, he will share. If he doesn't want to share, see, they also form opinions very easily.
Yeah.
You know, as they grow, they will know, ये मेरा अच्छा friend है, ये नहीं, and you will start seeing that, okay? So, give them that space. अगर तुम उसको इस चीज़ के लिए भी choice नहीं दे रहे हो, तो तुम उसको कहाँ से confident बनाने वाले हो? लोग कहते हैं ना, I want a confident kid. पहले घर में तो उसको confidence बनने दो. घर में if he talks back to you, you're like, how dare you? I'm not saying they should shout at you. I do not get into that back talk thing.
Yeah.
Okay, and especially with strong-willed child, they will have a way to come back to you. Okay, they say such nasty things and you're like, यार ये इसके लिए बड़ा किया तुम्हें मैंने types करके, what is it that you're saying? But remember, it's their anger that is speaking. You know, it's okay to put your point across, but put it in a better way. You're going to be heard in this house, but only if you talk nicely. You know, and I'll wait for it. It's okay, take your time, take 1 hour, 2 hours, come back and talk nicely. We'll listen to you. And it's not important that I agree to whatever you say. This is so important, which people don't understand in gentle parenting. I will listen to you, Gunjan, but I may or may not agree to you. There's a difference in both.
Yeah.
Right? When I listen to you, at least मुझे लगता है सुना तो सही. Right? सुन तो लिया, पहले मना नहीं किया. Now I tell my child, beta, I know you want this, but I'm sorry, at this time, this is not going to happen. Like these days, my child is too much into, I want a sleepover. I said, beta, till the time you're 16, you're not having a sleepover. You always say no to me. I said, yes, because I'm your mama. It's okay. You have to say no. How can you parent a child without saying no?
Yeah.
But the only thing positive parenting says is that you don't have to be rude in saying that. You don't have to be harsh in saying that. You don't have to be demeaning in saying that. I can set a boundary with love and I can still say, beta, this is not worth fighting.